Hartley here from Samsung Electronics UK. I'm Channel Manager for Kitchen Retail. Chosen to exhibit this year to continue doing what we're doing, which is building on home appliances and the built-in brand for Samsung. But major thing is we're actually got a brand new product launch. Totally taken our platform of appliances, our cooking, and we've brought it so we now have a family of Series 4, 5, 6 and 7, giving consistency and aesthetic, but also giving new functionalities such as things like air fry, sous vide. Those are the things that people are looking for: healthy cooking, healthy eating, and we've incorporated that into all of the products. But the best thing, which we promised and we said we would do at the last show, is our new range would roll back Wi-Fi connectivity right through to the entry products. So from Series 4 all the way through now to Series 7, it's connected living. And the reaction so far has been really, really amazing. People like the way that the aesthetics look. They like the functionality that we're actually showing them that comes with the ovens. But again, our ovens keep consistency. All of the internals, they look the same with this blue enamel. There's functions that build up throughout the range, such as things like sliding telescopic rails. But the products themselves, there's a consistency there to Samsung as a brand, giving you clear technology, clear functionality to assist and add value through your cooking. One of the things behind a new product launch is for our factories to build up the stock, so it comes into the UK, and when we actually launch, there's availability there. We also have a balance between the exit of our existing lines to the new product, where we will seamlessly bring in our new lines. So we do have a lot of people coming to the stand. We have people that are coming that are new, and we have people coming that are existing. And what's really good is that we've got customers that have used other brands for many, many years, and they're really looking at us now, and they're seeing Samsung as coming to the forefront. The market's changing, the desire and the demand of the consumer is changing, and the people that we've engaged with, certainly Samsung as a brand, that have bought into our other products, such as our phones and our tablets and our TVs, they're growing up now. They're aspiring to the times where they're moving into properties, and they want to stay with the brand. There's some brand loyalty there, and again, this one Samsung approach that we've given allows them to then take that next journey into the properties they buy, into the kitchens that they revamp, and they can engage with the new products that they have from Samsung, and that's where the market's different. And from a kitchen retailer's point of view, what we want to see is that kitchen retailers seeing a point of difference, a new way of engaging with their consumers, because the consumer's looking for change, and this product's bringing them it. The most surprising that we've seen is the way that people do actually engage with Samsung. I think the brand name obviously is known, it's baked in. People understand the brand, they get that loyalty, and they understand, what Samsung can do for them as far as other products. So really it's about then just engaging them into a new area that Samsung do, which is the built-in products, and also the complementing other categories. What we found is that a lot of people want to have that new conversation. They want to engage more with us. So it's not like we're bringing a brand that's unknown to the market. We're bringing a brand that's very well known. We're just incorporating new products now within a market that people can engage and tap into. And that really is kitchen retail. So we've been very strong with our refrigeration on a side-by-side, and also our laundry for many, many years. What we're now starting to see is people actually engage across all of that platform, starting to pull into all of our categories. And the reason being, we're giving them what they want. We're giving them not only the functionality within the products, we're also giving them technology that allows them to add value to their cooking and also healthy eating. When we launched last time, this was about growing our POD, or point of distribution, and we did that. We did that successfully. Where are we? Well ahead of where we need to be, which is great. What we continue to do and what we wanted to do, which we've been unable to do through lockdown, is network. And something that the Kitchen Circle, which we're relaunching this time, is support, educate and reward. And that's what we've not been able to do. It's very easy communicating with people through emails and through MS Teams, but you don't really get that interaction. People's faces, seeing and listening and understanding what they need. And that's what the Kitchen Circle does. Kitchen Circle means that when you take our product on display, we then engage with you with our training platforms, Samsung Ambassador Training Platform, which will guide you all the way through our range, all the way through our products, and make you confident to be able to sell that through to your customers. We then obviously have on top of that our webinars, which we've been doing, so you can integrate in those webinars where the trainers will take you through the products. But also then we've got Samsung Rewards. So for products that you sell in your showroom, you can claim back the Samsung Rewards. So the education, the reward, the after sales, our CX, our customer experience. So all of that end-to-end, cradle to grave, if you have a problem, we take care of. Dedicated telephone numbers. We have our email addresses. So you can work with us, and we have an infrastructure to support you, not just on the front of house, which is putting the product into your showroom, but also behind the scenes to give you that total comfort that we're a brand that are there to support you going forward. What we had worked. Kitchen Circle partner worked. What we didn't have was the time through COVID to build on that relationship making. So there's a lot of things within the Kitchen Circle that will be consistent that we just take back to market. What we've done different though is we've altered our hybrid approach. So we've built in now more assets, more digital content, more information that helps those retailers enhance their websites as well. Because we've recognized through lockdown that a lot of people now have this hybrid approach that whilst you have footfall coming through the showroom, you also ensure that what you have is customers that have that visibility and engagement and touch point on their website. We're there for both of those. We're a technology company that can allow that customer to integrate very quickly with our products, our features, our benefits, not only on our products, but also through the assets we provide them. And we'd engage with all the customers that come here. We want them to talk to us, not just about the products, talk to us about how we can work, how we can grow with you. Talk to us about the things that you need as a business. Talk to us about the assets that we can help you with that allow you to engage with your customers. So a great show for us is to continue to take market share. That's what our main focus is. So that isn't a short-term goal. We have to do that over a period of time. We started this in 2018, this journey, and we set our goals out clearly as to where we want to be. We're well on track for that. And this show, we continue to grow that display base, grow that point of distribution so that people not only see our cooking, but start to see our other products, all categories, dishwashers, refrigeration, laundry. And by doing that, it means that those consumers that are seeing our adverts, seeing our products availability, are going into those kitchen showrooms with the ability to then interact with our products, and subsequently those retailers quote them and supply them. From a good show, it's about communicating more, networking more with both the retailer and engaging them to then engage with their consumers and push out that message more about Samsung, the new products, and the way the brand is growing in the industry.